Alright, welcome guys. Sorry, my screen got messed up already. There we go. Starting out strong. Okay, this is our review video. All these questions come straight from the test. There's only 3 questions. Make sure you write down everything that you see. Basketball Jones. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So, we want to find angle 1 and 2. We have this information, and we know that these are parallel. Okay? Given parallel, I know that this angle, 6x, and 7x are going to be alternate exterior angles. Okay, so we got to be able to know our alternate exterior angles, and we know when we have parallel lines that they are congruent. So we're going to take 7x minus 10 and set it equal to 6x plus 2. I'm going to go ahead and move the 6x over, and we get x and add 10 at the same time. Why not? X equals 12. Okay, so x equals 12 here. That doesn't tell me my answer for my angle, so I got to plug it back into my equation. So I'm going to do 6 times 12 plus 2. Okay, that's going to be 72 plus 6, which is 78 degrees. So we're going to get 78 degrees here. If this is 78 degrees, then this is also going to be 78 degrees because they're vertical. And this is also, these two are going to be corresponding. And then these need to add up to 180, so this has to be 102 degrees. Okay, so angle 1 is 102, and angle 2 is 78. Okay, here we go. Nice job, Basketball Jones. Alright, here's a problem. We had this one in our error video, so I thought, I didn't tell you how to do it in class, I thought I'd tell you how to do it right now. So let's go ahead and do it. Make sure you pay attention. You're going to have one like this on the test. So yeah, pay attention, Basketball Jones. Alright, we have parallel lines. Now I have 2 transversals. I have a transversal here going through, and I also have a transversal right here going through that are important to us, okay? So if I look at the blue one as the transversal with my parallel lines, 25 and x are alternate interior angles. So that makes x really easy. It's just going to be 25 degrees. Now y looks like it would be in the same right here. These 2 angles would be what we would call corresponding, but the problem is it doesn't go all the way with the parallel. So the actual corresponding one would be here, the 80 degrees, and then the whole thing. So y plus 25. So we should get 80 should equal y plus 25, which means to get this I have to subtract 25 from both sides. Okay, subtract 20 from 80, we get 60, subtract 5, we get 55 degrees, and that would be a solution to our problem. Sound good? Sounds good to me. Moving on, Basketball Jones. Okay, this one we have to prove which lines are parallel given the information given to us. So our very first one, we get angle 10 plus angle 4 equals 180. So this is going to be angle 10 here and angle 4. These are consecutive interior angles. So it's going to prove that B is parallel to C, and the reason why is the converse of CIA. Okay, notice we always use our converse. This is going to be exactly how we see it on the test. I'm going to give you some information with a picture. You have to tell me which lines are parallel and by what reason. Okay, so 2 parts to this test, or parts of this question. Okay, number 2, 6 and 3 are congruent, so I'm going to switch up my colors here. Alright, so let's go with purple. Sure. 6 right here and 3. Okay, 6 and 3 look like alternate exterior angles. Okay, they're on the converse or the transversal C, but they're on A and D are my 2 parallel then. A and D. And the reason is the converse, and what kind of angles are these? Of alternate exterior angles. Okay, I got one more for you. There we go. 9 and 4. So let's go ahead and find 9 and 4. Since we can't see the full picture, we'll kind of have to move it. So let's do 9 and 4. We'll go blue. Okay. 9 and 4. 9's right here. And 4 is right here. Those are alternate interior angles. They're on the transversal A, and they're cutting B and C. So B and C are my two lines that are parallel. And then 9 and 4 are alternate interiors, so it's going to be the converse of alternate interior angles. There we go. Okay, not too bad. All right, Basketball Jones. And that was the last one. I don't have any other problems. So that was 3. Wasn't that? That was 3, right? Let's double check. Basketball Jones, you're a Basketball Jones. Yeah, we're all done. Ooh, baby, ooh. All right, good job, guys. So thank you. Have a good night.